Hope things are going well for you. So what do you think about that? Dogs that are being trained to sniff out COVID. Well, they're not smelling COVID. They're being trained to recognize the changes in a body that happens when you get COVID.
Yeah, and that will
basically, and that will alert them that there is the possibility that the person has COVID. So
my question is, what's too old? What's the ideal age if they want to train a dog for any kind of sniffing, whether it's cancer, diabetes, drugs? What is the optimum age for a dog that will have the best smell? Like, does their smell ever go down as they age?
I'm not really sure it does that much.
Like, when they're a senior dog versus a young dog, like the dogs they're using right now are 2 years old, for example.
Yeah. Well, they train them young. Right.
But are they not trainable at 6 months? Or they have to
Depends on the dog. You really want to kind of get them early while they're in that. Like when they're young, see, it's all about drive and reward.
Yeah.
You teach them to the detection and then you give them a reward. The dog with a higher drive for that reward, usually the younger dogs. When a dog gets older, it doesn't really have that drive as much. So they usually start with the younger dogs. And also because it takes time to train them. Because you have to use a lot of like false positives, things like that to train them. It takes a while.